Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make Chebe hair oil. So firstly I will be using my infused Chebe oil. So I use Chebe and cloves because cloves is important in any hair oil. Cloves has a lot of benefits, Chebe has a lot of benefits. Cherry powder and cloves powder are traditional natural ingredients used in hair care, particularly in making hair oil. Each brings unique benefits that support hair growth, strength, and scalp health. So, some of the importance of Chebe powder. Chebe originates from Chad, and it is used like a lot in Chad and Maiduguri, mostly in Chad, and it gives long thick hair. So one of the all them say some of the benefits of Chebe powder is a moisture retention. It reduces breakage. It improves hair thickness, and it even makes your hair dark and shiny. Then importance of cloves powder is that it promotes hair growth, it prevents dandruff and itching, it strengthens hair follicles, and it adds shine and reduce hair fall. So a mixture of cloves and Chebe powder, oh my god guys, it will give us an amazing result. And we all know cloves are aromatic flower, but that has antiseptic and stimulating properties. Okay, so I added the Chebe infused oil and cloves infused oil, and then I added some oils like fenugreek oil and neem oil because we will need that oils too, because we want the hair to be soft and shiny, silky. Yeah, and this, let me tell you, this hair oil improves hair growth. When you add all these ingredients, you will love the result. I have other hair oil recipe on my channel. I will drop a link in the description box. And then some powders that you can add, or some another important ingredients you can add in your hair oil is this rosemary. Rosemary is very good. I have explained it in my other videos. And this is our rosemary. I added rosemary, and now I'm just going to shake and mix everything well so that everything will be fully combined. Like we are going to let this sit for a week to infuse, but you can save this and start using it. Preferably let it infuse for for like at least a week. You need to keep it for at least a week so that it's all the ingredients will infuse into the oil, and you will get the nutrients, the vitamins, everything. So this is my mahlab, and I will be adding mahlab too in this oil. Mahlab means cherry seeds, and this is a spice used in bread. It is used in humra making, and it is a medicinal spice. It is used in tea. It has a lot of benefits, and it is also used in making traditional karkar oil. That's the traditional Tchadienne oil. So this is my mint oil. We will be using the mint oil as a fragrance, and as also something that will help with scalp itching. And yes, yeah, so we just need a little of the mint oil, not a lot, just a little, at least just 6 to 10 mls, and that's it guys. After adding all these ingredients, you are going to shake this very well, like shake it very well so that everything will be fully combined. And that is the simple way to make your Chadienne hair oil. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. See you in my next one. Bye.